Shaila Makhijani, 67 years old. From last few months I was suffering of my knee problem. I had gone to multiple hospitals. I have taken consultation from multiple surgeons, and then I came to know about this SPARSH Hospital RR Nagar. And the moment we enter here, I like the calm surroundings. The way he has explained everything about my knee, my problem and the process, I was very well assured that I am in right hands.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ravi Prasad Kattimani. I am very glad to share this news that we have Mrs. Makhijani with us, who underwent bilateral total knee replacements. She managed to walk the very next day after the surgery, the minimal pain.
So my surgery is done here. Now it's already 5 days. I am able to walk few steps, and I am very confident that I will be able to do my day-to-day duties very well. Even nursing staff and supporting staff is also very, very good. They are very caring, they are very gentle.
We at SPARSH RR Nagar have got an excellent team of doctors, physiotherapists and nursing staff who will make sure that you will get back on your feet as soon as possible after having any complex orthopedic procedures. Thank you.